What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a taco wrap, that new TikTok thing that went viral, folding it, weird way. You'll see what I'm talking about. But let's check out these ingredients and get it going. So we got 1 pound of ground beef, that's 85.15. We got some shredded cheese, some sliced tomatoes, and this is the seasoning that we prefer to use. Got it in here. It's about a 1/4 cup worth, and I'm gonna add some water in there and mix it up real good. And we got some beans here. We're just gonna cook them inside because we're trying to keep it simple out here today. Got some shredded lettuce, and here is the shells, these big boys. They're about, I don't know, 13, 14 inches wide, some big ones. All right, let's get this ground beef going. Boom. Get you over there. It was frozen, so it's still a little stiff on that side. And ground beef is super easy to cook on this thing. Boom. Clean it up. Just mush it on around, chop it up. Stuff doesn't take long at all to cook. This will probably, I'm guessing, less than 5 minutes. This meat's gonna be 100% ready to throw on a taco. I would have rather done chicken, but we didn't have any chicken on us. See, look at that. See that? This stuff cooks up so fast. All right, so I'm gonna hold myself to this. I said 5 minutes, the meat will be ready and ready to put on a taco. So it's been about, what would you say, like 2 minutes? Just keep chopping it up. And this meat does take a little bit longer just because there's not as much fat. So, doesn't have that fat to fry it. But it's cooking up just nice. All right, so now it's been 3 minutes. We got the sauce is ready to go. I just want to make sure, yep, the meat's done. We're good on that. Let's go ahead and throw this on. Yeah, probably did a little too much in the jar here. I probably won't need all that. I just like to put a little water in there with it because it's easier to spread over all the meat when you do it like that. This is smelling delicious. Look at that. All right, like I said, I said 5 minutes. It was actually more like 4.5 minutes. Super fast to cook ground beef on this thing. So I got some oil over here. I'm gonna throw my tortilla down right here. I'm not gonna leave it on for too long. I just wanna get a little bit of pliability with it. Get it warmed up good. Yep, you see it's already starting. And you see I got that slit in there right there. That's how we're gonna be able to fold it the TikTok way. So let me just get everything ready. All right, there we go. Look at that, look at that. Nice and hot. All right, I got my press right here because I'm gonna use that to get a nice little cook on it. So you know what, come in and see how I'm gonna do this. fold it from here. Go that way. Go fast so you don't spill that meat all over the place. Kind of smush it down a little bit. Over on the tomato. And boom, just like that. All right, so now after you got it all made, just plop it right on down. I'm gonna take my press, which is kind of hot. I'm gonna put it right down on there because I wanna get it a little flat. And yeah, just let it sit, let it get a nice fry on it. It's gonna be delicious. All right, so it's been on there for about a minute and a half maybe. Let's give it a flip, see how she looks. Ooh, come on, really? Look at that. See, this is what you're looking for right here. See that nice crisp like that? That's what you want. All right, let's give this thing a try. This looks amazing, and I'm starving. So we got the homemade salsa right here. Ooh, look at that bite. Everything's right there. So give it some of that. Ooh. That's perfect. I mean, it's almost like a quesadilla, a little bit. Just with more stuff in it. You know, we threw the beans on there. All that stuff. I mean, it's real similar to it though. That's delicious. I recommend you guys get on this. I know the Hungry Hussy, he just did a breakfast burrito taco thing like this, and that looked really good too, so that's probably in the future. But yeah, I mean, that's all I got. This thing came out perfect. Got a nice crisp on the top and bottom of that thing. Perfect. So that's all I got, guys. I appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me. Destroy it. Helps the video a ton, helps me out. And don't forget, we are giving a griddle away at 1,000 subscribers, which I believe at filming this, we're around 920 something, somewhere around there. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you.